Well, here's an interesting one. BFRO report number 63492 out of Clay County, Texas. Um, I guess this feller was, well, let me just read. You'll see what he was doing. So, I am an avid hunter, and I used to hunt the Corps of Engineers land on the Texas side of the Red River. I just looked that up, so let's look. Okay, Texas side, Red River, Corps of Engineers land, parking. Well, that bit checks out. I'm such a nerd. I was going to get my trail camera and check the pictures for any sign of wild hogs moving along the river and eating at the bait I'd set up. When I pulled up into the parking area, I was the only truck there. It's a hot in the summer, and in those woods, there's a little breeze. About a 20-minute walk through the woods to the camera, so I had to navigate my way through the brush and come around the old piece of an original bridge supports and turn slightly north and west, and something yelled at me about 100 yards away through the woods. Well, that's interesting. Okay. I'm assuming this is the only parking area, if that's what that is. It said something about old pylons. Google Maps is a little distorted, but there's definitely woods down there. Okay. Moving on. It's hard to describe the noise. It didn't taper off, just a blast. I froze. And I don't know why, but my instinct was to whoop at it. So I whooped. And it remained frozen too. I knew where it was. I couldn't see through the trees. I raised my rifle to locate what it was through the scope. I systematically started searching, and all of a sudden it tore off through the woods. I saw a glimpse of it through the scope as it took off. What I saw is difficult to explain, but you know how skiers' legs look like they're crouched? It was like that, like a spring compressing the knees to unleash power. Yeah, it was all in butt, man. Totally. The sun shone through the trees, and I could see the legs had reddish brown fur, but shaggier than a deer, almost like coarse hog hair, but it was soft. Everything about this makes me want to say it was a deer. The fur color, the legs bent. I would even entertaining a deer having shaggier fur, but the yell is what makes me know it was something else. Its yell was intimidating and demanding. Uh, it knew I was there and was letting me know it was there. Okay. After it ran off, I was filled with a sense of dread. Yeah, no kidding. And had to talk myself out of not going back to the truck and leaving the camera. Um, okay, so he had a quick run in. He's hunting whatever he's hunting. And he finds something hollering at him, probably warning him. So he tries to take a better look and gets a glimpse of the thing darting away. He didn't get a good look at it, but he didn't recognize the noise it made. So that's what he's thinking. Um, it was a squatch, perhaps. I don't know. I mean, this one, the guy is honest. He didn't go into an elaborate, detailed. Usually, when they go into an elaborate, detailed rant about something, then they're full of baloney. Because usually these encounters are very quick and in fact I'd even go so far as to say as most people that have had an encounter with a Bigfoot uh, probably just blew it off, didn't even didn't even think about it. It was just, oh well, that's just something, some weird big dude over there. Oh, and now he's gone. I mean, that kind of thing. So I don't know. I don't know, but it's interesting. The area checks out. This is awful rustic. You go way up here, and you got Wichita Falls, which is like kind of far away. That's the nearest city. A lot of farmland, but along this river is forested. So there's that, and the location he described checks out. Um, I'm like literally looking at it. So there's that. Let me know what you think. I think this is interesting. Something saw him before he saw it, and it made a kind of a warning roof or woof or a whoop noise or whatever it did. And it was interesting. Very, very interesting. So there's that. Again, this was BFR report number 63492. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I think this is interesting. And that's why I'm sharing it, because that's what I do. Even if YouTube buries it like they've been doing lately. So there's that. Anyway, thanks for watching. You have a wonderful day. I'll see you all on the flip side. That's what I got. I'm out. It would appear you have reached the end of this video. Well, I want to thank you fellers for watching. Things that way. And if you could go ahead and, share and like and subscribe and all that YouTuber nonsense that they say on the interwebs, what they do there. That'd be nice. Y'all have a nice day.